Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Vshred Endomorph Diet Plan is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for individuals struggling to shed stubborn body fat, particularly those who identify as endomorphs and find it challenging to lose weight despite their best efforts. This comprehensive plan aims to revolutionize your approach to nutrition by providing a structured framework designed to optimize your metabolism and promote sustainable fat loss, ensuring you can finally achieve the physique you've always desired without resorting to restrictive or ineffective methods that leave you feeling deprived and unmotivated. We'll delve into the core principles of this popular diet, examining its effectiveness and whether it truly lives up to the hype for endomorphic body types seeking a reliable path to a leaner, healthier self. Number 5. The Complete Anti-Inflammatory Diet for Beginners. Discover the power of an anti-inflammatory diet designed for beginners. Learn how simple dietary changes can help soothe your body and support a healthy immune system. Say goodbye to mealtime stress. This guide provides a straightforward meal plan that makes healthy eating easy and enjoyable, even with a busy schedule. Enjoy a collection of easy-to-follow recipes that are both nutritious and flavorful. You'll be surprised at how delicious healing your body can be. Understand how the foods you eat directly impact your immune function. This approach focuses on natural ways to strengthen your body's defenses. Perfect for those new to dietary changes. We break down the anti-inflammatory diet into manageable steps, ensuring a smooth and successful journey. Embrace a lifestyle that promotes long-term health and well-being. Start your journey to a less inflamed, more vibrant you today. What we like. This plan is designed for those new to dietary changes. It focuses on reducing inflammation and healing your immune system with simple, stress-free meals. If you're looking for an easy entry into a healthier lifestyle and want to improve your body's natural defenses, this is a great choice. What people say. The recipes are straightforward and don't require culinary expertise. Colimaris and Cook keep things simple, which is exactly what you need when you're trying to change your eating habits. I found that I can get dinner on the table without spending hours in the kitchen or stressing over complicated techniques. The biggest selling point for me is that the ingredients are accessible. You won't find yourself hunting down expensive or obscure specialty items at health food stores. Most of what you need is available at regular grocery stores, which makes actually following through with the recipes much more realistic. Each recipe includes tips at the bottom that offer variations and substitution ideas. This is incredibly helpful because it means you're not locked into one exact version of a recipe. If you don't have a particular ingredient or want to adjust based on what's in your fridge or your personal preferences, the authors give you guidance on how to modify the recipe while keeping it anti-inflammatory. Number 4. 30-Minute Mediterranean Diet Cookbook. Discover the secrets to a healthier you with this essential cookbook. It's packed with simple, delicious recipes designed for your well-being. Enjoy the vibrant tastes of the Mediterranean without the fuss. These recipes are quick to prepare, making healthy eating a breeze. Explore over 100 unique and tasty dishes. Each one is crafted to be both satisfying and beneficial for your health journey. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your meals. This guide focuses on recipes that take just 30 minutes to make. Embrace a lifestyle of lifelong health with ease. This cookbook provides the tools and inspiration you need to succeed. Experience the rich and wholesome flavors that have been cherished for generations. Eating well has never been so enjoyable or accessible. What we like. Enjoy delicious Mediterranean-inspired dishes ready in just 30 minutes. This cookbook emphasizes taste and long-term well-being. If you love vibrant flavors and need quick meal solutions for a healthy lifestyle, this is perfect for you. What people say. Several of the recipes are standard favorites, but with a twist. For example, the beef sliders include chopped mushrooms for a juicy burger with added veggie benefits. The pasta for the pasta fagioli soup is cooked directly in the soup pot for a quick one-pot meal. The hummus is made with budget-friendly peanut butter rather than the more expensive tahini and contains just 5 ingredients. Number 3. Anti-Inflammatory Diet and Action Plans. Discover the power of an anti-inflammatory diet to help your body heal from within. This plan is designed to support your immune system and promote overall well-being. Regain your vitality and feel your best with a guided approach to healthy eating. It's time to restore your body's natural balance and improve your health. Follow our easy-to-use 4-week meal plans that make healthy eating simple and delicious. We've taken the guesswork out of it for you. This isn't just about diet, it's about action. Get practical steps and plans to implement these changes effectively into your daily life. Learn how specific foods can combat inflammation and reduce its impact on your body. Start your journey to a less inflamed, healthier you. Embark on a transformative journey towards lasting health and wellness. This program provides the tools and guidance you need to succeed. What we like. This offers a structured, 4-week approach to combating inflammation and boosting health. It provides clear action plans for healing your immune system comprehensively. If you prefer a guided, step-by-step program to restore your overall health, this plan will be highly beneficial. What people say. The plan is very detailed and easy to follow. I was able to lose 5 pounds in the first week. The recipes are delicious and healthy. Number 2. Carb cycling for beginners. Are you looking to shed pounds and gain muscle? This guide is designed to help you achieve your fitness goals effectively. Learn the fundamentals of carb cycling, a powerful strategy for weight loss and muscle building. We make it simple for you to understand and implement. Discover a collection of mouth-watering recipes tailored to your carb cycling journey. Enjoy meals that support your progress without sacrificing flavor. Complement your diet with expertly crafted exercise routines. These workouts are designed to maximize fat loss and muscle gain. Start transforming your body today. With the right approach to nutrition and exercise, you can achieve the results you've always wanted. This program is perfect for those new to fitness or carb cycling. We provide clear instructions and support every step of the way. What we like. This guide introduces carb cycling specifically for beginners aiming to shed weight and gain muscle. It combines targeted recipes with exercises for optimal results. If you're a beginner wanting to optimize your body composition through strategic eating and training, this is the plan to consider. What people say. This book is concise, provides the simple science behind this type of diet, and is very easy to follow and well organized. The book includes how to calculate grams and calories, a weekly carb cycle to follow that includes simple quick recipes and foods and a corresponding exercise guide. The carb cycle includes what food to eat for each meal and snack and provides the page number of the recipe so you don't have to hunt for it. Each recipe provides serving sizes, and the fat, fiber, protein and carb grams for tracking. Each day includes when to do cardio, strength or HIIT exercises as well, to maximize fat loss. It explains the tough fitness journey I've had my whole life. He breaks it down simply, shows you how to measure your macros and what to do. He gives us a schedule and advice about it as well. Number 1. 10-minute senior strength training. Welcome. This program is designed to help seniors build muscle, improve balance, and increase stamina. Join us for a quick and effective 10-minute workout. Strengthening your muscles is crucial for maintaining independence and mobility as you age. Our exercises focus on safe and effective ways to build lean muscle mass. Better balance means fewer falls and greater confidence in your daily activities. We'll guide you through exercises that enhance your stability and coordination. Increase your energy levels and endurance with targeted routines. You'll feel more capable of handling everyday tasks and enjoying life to the fullest. In just 10 minutes a day, you can make a significant difference in your physical well-being. These routines are perfect for busy schedules and offer maximum benefits. It's never too late to start prioritizing your health. Let's begin building a stronger, more balanced, and energetic you today. What we like. Designed for seniors, these 10-minute workouts focus on building strength, improving balance, and increasing stamina. The routines are short and effective. If you are a senior looking for accessible exercises to maintain physical function and vitality, this is an excellent resource. What people say. The first half of the book offers lovely illustrations and tips on how to do each exercise. The back half provides you with a daily routine that shows you a reminder illustration of each move, the rep count, usually the standard 8 to 12 for 2 to 3 sets, and gives the page number so you can easily re-reference a move if you need any reminders. The book's uncomplicated, straightforward style. There's 4 moves per workout that are practical and functional. Instead, these are your traditional exercises. Exercise is straightforward to understand, so far so good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.